Yes, I know one.
Okay.
It's very slijmerig, but it's okay.
It's okay. We don't know you differently, Lotte.
No, true.
What do you actually study when you study experimental physics?
Well, it's very broad, so you can go into all fields of physics essentially, but you focus on modeling systems and then verifying them with measurements in a lab.
You firstly do a lot of theory, similar to theoretical physics, but then you spend a little more time on thinking, what does this imply and how could I possibly test whether this theory holds in every situation?
Why did you choose this master's program?
So I did my bachelor in physics, I really liked it, and this master program connects very well to the bachelor physics.
What is special or unique about the experimental physics program at Utrecht University?
You have all the choices to do all the experimental courses you want, but also do all the theoretical courses you want, so you're not limited to only study theory or only study at the experiments.
It's very flexible, so which means that besides one mandatory course and your standard research projects, you can fill the rest up with electives, courses from various programs, or even an internship.
What did you wish you knew about the program before you started studying?
I wish I knew that the lecturers were always very open to contact. You can contact them for research opportunities, but also for extra help.
So which course that you followed did you enjoy the most?
I really like the quantum optics course because it combines experimental knowledge and a theoretical approach very well.
I like programming as a tool, so my simulation courses are very nice, but which really interested me the most was about quantum materials, the topological matter.
How did you fill your elective space?
So I filled my elective space by doing a complex systems track. And for that I followed the course Introduction to Complex Systems, which I liked a lot.
And I chose a bunch of experimental and also theoretical courses that fitted that field of interest, such that I had a combined skill set of the two, which I really like at this point.
Do you want to do a PhD program after your master's?
Yes, I actually have one lined up and ready to go. I'm going to do a PhD in the same group where I'm doing my thesis currently.
Maybe, I'm not sure yet, but I really do like doing research, so it is a very good possibility, yes.
What kind of work or research can you do when you finish the experimental physics master?
Of course, you can stay into physics research. You can stay there, but I think because you know how to think analytically and do research in general, you can also move into any company, analytical job or R&D departments.
What is your dream career path after this program?
Well, my dream career path is to find a job where I can use my thinking skills to solve problems and keep my brain active, and that can be in research or it can also be in the public or private sector.
Well, for now I really like doing research, but afterwards I could also see myself working at a company, maybe doing some data analysis or studying stochastic processes more general in society. That could even be the movement of people in a crowded area, for example. I think it's really nice to be able to apply what I've learned in physics to those real-life situations, perhaps later in life.
So, what is a cool or interesting fact about experimental physics?
Well, because the courses and the program is actually quite small, it's a very social group and it's a very tight bonding group.